Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. Today in this video we are going to discuss about time weighted average price using Algorand and Akash. These analysis might help determine what lies in future for Algorand. So none of the content is financial advice. This is the chart on the screen is the daily chart for Algorand, color coded based on the risk level, the between purple, which is the lowest risk, and red, which is the highest risk. This is color coded based on the time weighted price and the proportional distance between the price and the time weighted average price. The current time weighted average price for Algorand is at around 50 cents. The price of Algo token is at around 13.3 cents. So again, almost one fourth. The price is one fourth of the time weighted average price. So and that's why the color code are back to purple. If we were to compare this with Akash and broaden the time range, you can see that at one point Akash and its price was way back early to mid 2021 was above the time weighted average price, but during the course of the bear market the price fell significantly below the time weighted average price. At this point, if we were to compare February 2023 related time weighted average price at $1.87 and price was at around 61 cents, again one third of the time weighted average price, and then till May the price crashed to again and form a new higher low from its January low. Algorand also did a similar thing. Instead of January, the previous bottom was in October, and then till August this new higher low was formed at around 10 cents. If Algorand were to again from in the coming year, that is in later half of 2024 and early 2025, were to have a rally back to the upside, that is valuation higher than the time weighted average price, like Akash did between 23 cents all the way to about $6, so about a 30x from its lows in May of 2023. From May of 2023, so over the course of almost uh, 10 months, between May of 2023 till about March of 2024. So if Algorand is lagging in this domain, what could be a 30x move from here would be almost $4.2, which could constitute a new high compared to its previous high at around $3.20. In that scenario, the things to look for would be first rally to the time weighted average price, which Akash had a declining slope up until July or August of 2023, and finally the lines first tested back early in August of 2023, and then price again capitulated for a while, and then a V shape or a U shape recovery back till November of 2023. If that is something in store for Algorand, what it could look like for the next 3 to 4 months, price trying to reach to 50 cents by the end of the year, and then again having a short correction, and once the price is again breaking out, let's say in the first quarter of 2025, the price from like Akash did almost a 4x distance away from the time weighted average price, and let's say the time weighted average price instead of today 50 cents, it has declined to, let's say, for 40 to 40, between 40 and 50 cents, let's say 40 cents for an example, till from 40 cents of 4x in that regard would be somewhere between $1.60. So that is again one target for Algo. So with this, I would like to conclude the video. What we discussed today is the time weighted average price related scenarios for Algo. One forecast for this model would be at around between price action between $1.50 and $1.60. And the second forecast, if the rally for Algorand were to emulate what the rally for Akash emulated over the course of the last year, about 30x from 23 cents all the way to about $6.20. That it from this low would be between 10 cents to about 30x from that level would be at around $3. So that's again the one of the scenarios to look for. So and if we were to analyze that in terms of Algorand and its regression based analysis for price action over here, the the 3 standard deviation ceiling at this point is coming in at close to the target that we set based on our time weighted average price at around $1.40. Algorand has not have had a move to this 3 standard deviation bar for uh, up until it got launched in 2019, almost June of 2019, when the valuation was close to this territory. But again, you can see that even in the last bull market, when the price was slightly above the 2 standard deviation ceiling, at that point the 2 standard deviation ceiling was at around $2.20. So these regression based valuations have right now for Algorand have an upswing. The key levels to watch for Algo, definitely the 14 cents level right now at around which would be the 2 standard deviation bottom. And if there were a mean reversion, trade back to the mean reversion again, comes close to the 40 cents level, which could be close to where finally the price meets the time weighted average price over here. So that is again kind of has a confluence with the polynomial regression based fair value. And slightly if the token gets overvalued at any point, the 1 standard deviation ceiling is at around 60 cents. The 2 standard deviation ceiling at this point is at around 90 cents. But as you can see, as the time progresses, these ceilings also have an upward bias at this point. So if you want to stay updated with the analysis for Algorand, please subscribe to the channel. Also, you can check out all of this chart on the that you saw over the course of this video on this website, cryptoweeklies.com. All you have to do is you don't have to sign up or pay for anything. All you have to check is if the crypto is outside of top 20 but between top 100, that crypto is available on this table on which Algorand features. Again, the discussion that we saw is the time weighted average price. The chart is available over here. The regression analysis chart is available over here. Akash and its time weighted average price is available on this chart over here. So hope you like this content. If you did, please subscribe and give this video a like, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.